Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to create Stan community. If you're not familiar with Stan yet, basically Stan Store is a platform that allows you to sell a bunch of digital stuff such as courses, or maybe you want to create community, or maybe you want to create some classes or some online consultation, etc. You can create those things with the help of Stan Store. So we're going to start by signing up to Stan Store. They actually offer free trial. So I'm going to go ahead and click start my free trial now. And I believe that you can sign up with your email here. So I'm just going to go ahead and create my username as well as the whole account on Stan Store. In order to do that, all you have to do is search for Stan Store on your Google and click on the first result that appears, and it's going to bring you to Stan Store dashboard like the one that I've shown you earlier, and then you can start creating your account through there. Alright, so I already got the account created, and next we're going to do is we're going to go to the My Store options here, and then we are going to go to add product. So here we got a bunch of product that we can add. We got collect emails or application, we got digital product, coaching call, custom product, e-course, recurring membership, URL, webinar, Stan affiliate link, and this is what we're searching for. We're going to create a community here. So it says here that we can create a free or paid community. It's going to depend on what you're searching for. So we are going to start by picking a style. And this is the pop-up that are going to show on your website when your customer or when your visitor is checking up on your website. They'll be able to see a pop-up that looks like this. So you can create one in the form of button or in the form of call out. I think I'm going to be using the call out style for this one. And you can add your image here. Let's say you already created a community image. You can go ahead and click on choose image and upload one if you don't have one. So I'm just going to be using my logo here. And now I got it as my thumbnail or as my logo. And then we can add text. I want to change it to Moonshine Community. And then it's going to be join Moonshine Community by Eyes of the Moon. And for the button, I wanted to say join now. Or you can just add whatever text you want for this part. I like how it looks like for now, and I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And here you can also select an image for the banner of your community. You can create your image with Canva if you're not really familiar with the world of designing and stuff, or you can use Adobe or Photoshop, whatever you want to use. I usually prefer Canva, but you can use whatever designing application. And I'm just going to skip the picture for now. And now for the description, maybe you can say something like, welcome to Moonshine Community. And then down here on the description body, you're going to want to break down on what they will get if they join this community. Maybe this is a community of where people are learning languages, or maybe they're learning about beauty and makeup. Then you can tell them that they're going to maybe be able to communicate and connect with some new friends with similar passion, or they'll be able to be getting daily updates from you, or they will be able to get some tips and tricks on what they're learning. You can just put the description here. So I'm going to ask the help of ChatGPT to help me fill this out, but again, you are going to put whatever you feel are needed here on the description body according to your own type of community. So I added some guideline as well as some benefits of joining this community. And on the bottom title, they will be able to see these sort of call to action. So it says be a part of our community, and for the call to actions button, I am just going to say join, or maybe I want to call my community member as maybe Moonshiner. So I'm just going to say be a Moonshiner. And here for the price, you can actually set 0 if you want it to be free, or maybe if you want to charge it maybe $4.99, and you can add discount price if you want, and you can choose the payment as a one-time payment or maybe as a subscription. If you choose subscription, you can choose the reoccurring subscription. Maybe you want it to be in the form of yearly, monthly, weekly, or daily. I'm just going to set it as a one-time payment. And as for the info to collect, you'll be able to collect their name as well as their email. If you need to add some field, you can just go ahead and click on add field. If you need to add some field, you can just go ahead and click on add field and add what you need. Maybe you want to ask for their address or something. You can put it here. I'm fine with just name and email, so I'm going to continue with the community creation for now. Next, we're going to create our community. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create community. It's going to bring us into a new tab. So this is how the community currently looks like. And you can start by adding the about section. And if you have upcoming webinars, you can add it here. I don't have any webinars, so I'm just going to make it empty for now. And here you can add lots of links. For example, if you want to add your social media, you can add Instagram here, your TikTok here, your Facebook, etc., to expose yourself even more to your community members. So make sure you add those links over here. Then you can add some introduction over here. You can add resources, and this is where the community that we've just created here is going to show. So I am going to go ahead and click on publish here. Now we got the Moonshine community, and let's see how it looks like. Now on the product section, we'll be able to see this Moonshine community that we've just created, and this is what it will look like when someone is going to purchase these communities. So you can see that on the top of the screen, you will see the product URL. So this is what they will look like if they're going to buy the community or they're going to subscribe to the community. We got the text that we've just created, and down here we got the total cost of the community or the price of the community and the information that they will have to fill. And again, your community will be showing on the product sections here. So make sure you write and introduce yourself first over here so that people will be interested to joining your community on StanStore. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a community with StanStore. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.